Change is inevitable, especially when it comes to maps. It can seem like every day a new street or exit crops up on your commute. That's why Hyundai offers MapCare, which gives 2018 and newer Hyundai vehicles 3 years of complimentary annual map updates. Some newer vehicles may have updates even more often when they have an active Bluelink account. These vehicles get map updates every 6 months, which you can install yourself. If your eligible vehicle is linked to your Bluelink account, you will be notified when new map updates are available, and you can install the update. Installing the update can be done at home, and while a My Hyundai account is not necessary, it's recommended that you have one. You will then need an internet-connected computer that can write to the memory device you will use. Go to myhyundai.com, then select Learn More and update your vehicle with the latest map update. On this page, you'll have 3 different actions you can perform. The notification section shows any updates available for your vehicle. If a navigation update is shown, select it, then select the update. Here you can see the changes the update will make. It also outlines the necessary type of storage device you will need for the update, depending on your vehicle. You can also confirm if your vehicle is on the list of eligible vehicles for the download. Once you've determined if your vehicle has an update, select Update Guide. The Prepare for Update page will provide any further recommendations for the storage device. The Navigation Update or Download page is where you'll download the updater program for your computer. Be sure to note the requirements for the device you're using. Follow the directions outlined here to install the updater. Once installed, you can log in using your My Hyundai account, or you can use Guest Login. Then follow the steps on the updater to find your vehicle and download the update. You can also order a memory device to be shipped to you, which will have a cost associated with it. To do so, select Shipping Order Website on the Navigation Updates page and follow instructions to purchase a memory device with the map update on it. Once you have the update on the appropriate storage device, go to your vehicle. Start your vehicle and do not turn off your vehicle until the entire updating process is complete. Then press Setup, then General, then SW Info Update. Insert the USB drive into the USB data port in your vehicle. See the owner's manual to find out which port is the USB data port. For vehicles with an SD card slot, remove the SD card currently in the slot and insert the SD card used to download the software. Then press Update on the screen. Follow the instructions on the screen. Depending on the total data amount, the update may take from 20 minutes to 1 hour. Be certain not to turn off the vehicle system or remove the storage device while the update is in progress. Doing so may damage the data or cause a system malfunction. Once the update is complete, you'll be ready to go. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the HyundaiUSA YouTube channel at myhyundai.com.